Do you want to unhide birthday on Facebook? You can show date of birth on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unhide your birthday on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the Edit Profile icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down and find the Personal Details section. Under Personal Details, tap on your date of birth. Now, tap on the Privacy dropdown above your birthday and month. Select Friends or Public from the options. If your birth year is also hidden, change the privacy setting from Only Me to your preferred option. Once done, tap the Save button. Now, your birthday will be visible on your Facebook profile based on the privacy setting you selected.